Imagine a world where your smartwatch could monitor your blood oxygen levels, offering valuable insights into your health. But what if that feature was suddenly taken away? That's exactly what happened to Apple Watch users in the US at the end of 2023. The blood oxygen tracking feature, a handy tool for monitoring oxygen saturation in the blood, was removed due to a patent infringement lawsuit filed by Masimo Corp and a subsequent US customs injunction. This decision left many users puzzled and disappointed, wondering if they would ever see the feature return. But here's where it gets exciting. Apple Inc. has announced that the blood oxygen tracking feature will be restored to its smartwatches in the US. This comeback is thanks to a recent ruling by US Customs, which has cleared the way for the feature to be re-enabled on models that previously had it disabled. This news is a breath of fresh air for health-conscious individuals who rely on their Apple Watches for comprehensive health monitoring. As we look to the future, it's fascinating to consider how this ruling might influence similar disputes in the tech sector. Will it set a precedent for how companies handle patent infringement claims, or will it lead to more legal battles over technological advancements? These are questions that the tech community will be watching closely. So, what do you think? Should companies be allowed to innovate freely, even if it means potentially infringing on existing patents? Or should there be stricter regulations to protect intellectual property? Share your thoughts in the comments below.